In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Canva. Whether you're looking to update your profile for personal reasons or to better reflect your current branding, changing your name in Canva is a straightforward process that we're about to walk through together. So let's dive right in and make sure you're all set. To start off, you'll need to log into your Canva account if you haven't done so already. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your main dashboard, which is where all the magic begins. Now, glance towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a small icon that resembles a gear, commonly known as the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will be your gateway to exploring all account-related configurations, including the name change we're set to make. After clicking on the settings icon, you'll find yourself on the settings page. This is your central hub for managing all the details related to your account. As you navigate, you'll want to be on the lookout for a section labeled Your Account. Within this section, there should be an option conveniently named Edit, situated beside your current name. A simple click on this button sets the stage for making your desired modifications. Now comes the fun part. Once you click Edit, you're allowed to revamp your personal details. Focus on the name field, where you can delete what's presently there and type in your new desired name. Be meticulous about making sure it's exactly how you'd like it to appear across all your Canva projects and within your account. As you enter your new name, take a moment to double-check the spelling and capitalization. This is a crucial step since your name is a significant component of your personal or professional brand within Canva, and it's important it reflects exactly what you envision. Once you've keyed in your new name and confirmed it's accurate, you'll want to click outside the name box. This ensures your changes are saved. While Canva generally saves changes automatically, it never hurts to be cautious. Look out for any save indicators to make sure your updates are locked in, and just like that, you've successfully updated your name in Canva. Before we wrap this up, here's a quick tip. If you encounter any issues or need additional assistance, Canva's help resources are quite extensive. You can always refer to those guides or reach out to support for specific queries. There you have it, a quick and easy way to ensure your Canva name fits just how you want it. Making these small adjustments keeps your profile current and reflective of any changes in your personal or business ventures. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to stick around as we explore more tips and tricks to boost your Canva skills.